Chapter 4 Fractions. Hey Mummy, this cake is looking so yummy. Could you make such cake at home? Could you share the list of ingredients that you have used to make them? We have used 3/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of milk and half cup of sugar as main ingredients and some dry fruits to make this cake. Wow, these ingredients have been used in fractions and the total quantity of flour, milk and sugar used is equal to 3/4 plus 1/4 plus half is equal to 1.5 cups. A fraction is the part of a whole. Look at the shaped portion in each of the following. 1/4, 1/3, 5/8. Here, 1/4, 1/3, 5/8 are called fractions. A fraction is of the form numerator by denominator. Denominator is not equal to 0. Remember, a fraction with denominator 0 is meaningless. Types of fractions. 1. Like fractions. Fractions having the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 3/5, 4/5, 6/5 and 8/5, etc. are like fractions. 2. Unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 1/4, 2/5 and 5/9, etc. are unlike fractions. 3. Unit fractions. Fractions with 1 as the numerator are called unit fractions. For example, 1/3, 1/5, 1/7 and 1/9, etc. are unit fractions. 4. Proper fractions. Fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fractions. For example, 3/4, 1/3 and 2/7, etc. are proper fractions. 5. Improper fractions. Fractions in which the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. For example, 7/2, 5/3 and 9/5, etc. are improper fractions. Improper fractions can be written as mixed fractions or mixed numbers. For example, 7/2 is equal to 3 whole 1/2 and 11/3 is equal to 3 whole 2/3. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions stand for the same fractions. Raju cut an apple into 2 equal parts. He ate 1 part means half part. Each of them ate equal parts of an apple. Half apple is equal to 2 halves. Ravina cut an apple into 4 equal parts. She ate 2 parts, means 2/4 part. Each of them ate equal parts of an apple. Half is equal to 2 halves. Therefore, half is equal to 2/4. We say that half and 2/4 are equivalent fractions. 2 or more fractions that represent the same amount are called equivalent fraction. Writing equivalent fractions. In higher terms, multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. 2/4 is equal to 6/12 into 3 into 3. In lower terms, divide both the numerator and the denominator by one of their common factors. 15/12 is equal to 5/4. 15 divided by 3, 12 divided by 3. To get equivalent fractions, multiply or divide by a number greater than 1. Example 1. Find a higher order equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Solution. We multiply the numerator and denominator of 3 by 4 by 2. 3 into 2 by 4 into 2 is equal to 6 by 8. Answer. Hence, 6 by 8 is a higher order equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Example 2. Find a lower order equivalent fraction of 30 by 35. Solution. We divide the numerator and denominator of 30 by 35 by 5. 30 divided by 5 upon 35 divided by 5 is equal to 6 by 7. Answer. Hence, 6 by 7 is a lower order equivalent fraction of 30 by 35. Checking equivalent fractions. Example 3. Check whether 3 by 5 and 12 by 20 are equivalent fractions. Solution. Fractions we have 3 by 5, 12 by 20. By cross multiplication, 3 by 5, 12 by 20. We have 3 into 20 is equal to 60. 12 into 5 is equal to 60. Both the products are equal. Thus, 3 by 5 and 12 by 20 are equivalent fractions. To check if two given fractions are equivalent or not, multiply the numerator of one fraction with the denominator of the other. Such multiplication is called the cross multiplication. If the products are same, then the fractions are equivalent. Reducing a fraction to the lowest terms. A fraction is in its lowest terms when the numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. To reduce the fraction to the lowest terms, the numerator and denominator are divided by their HCF. Example. Reduce the following fractions to the lowest terms. A. 15 by 18. B. 15 by 35. Solution. A. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. HCF is equal to 3. 15 by 18 is equal to 15 divided by 3 upon 18 divided by 3 is equal to 5 by 6. 15 by 18 is reduced to the lowest term 5 by 6. B. 15 by 15 by 35. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 35 is equal to 5 into 7. HCF is equal to 5. 15 by 35 is equal to 15 divided by 5 upon 35 divided by 5 is equal to 3 by 7. 15 by 35 is reduced to the lowest term, 3 by 7. Comparison of fractions. Comparing like fractions. Reena, Meena and Sheena colored different parts of boxes of the same kind. Sheena colored the maximum part of her box. Identify the parts of the boxes colored by Reena, Meena and Sheena. Reena 5 by 8. Meena 3 by 8. Sheena 6 by 8. The fractions 5 by 8, 3 by 8 and 6 by 8 are like fractions. Let us compare the numerators. 3 is less than 5 is less than 6. Therefore, 3 by 8, Reena less than 5 by 8, Meena less than 6 by 8, Sheena. Answer. 3 by 8 less than 5 by 8 less than 6 by 8. Example 1. Arrange 7 by 9, 6 by 9, 3 by 9 and 8 by 9 in ascending order. Solution. Here, 3 is less than 6, is less than 7, is less than 8. Answer. The ascending order of the fraction is 3 by 9, 6 by 9, 7 by 9, 8 by 9. Compare the numerators. The fraction with the greater numerator is greater. Comparing unlike fractions with the same numerator. Kuldeep ate 1/4 of a pizza while Himanshu ate 1/3 of pizza of the same size. Who ate more? The fractions 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 have the same numerator. Here, numerators are same. Then compare their denominators. 4 is greater than 3. Therefore, 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. Answer. Himanshu ate more than Kuldeep. 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Compare the denominators. The fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. Example 2. Rewrite 2 by 10, 2 by 5, 2 by 8 and 2 by 6 in descending order. Solution. Here, 10 is greater than 8, is greater than 6, is greater than 5. Answer. The descending order of the fraction is 2 by 5, 2 by 6, 2 by 8, 2 by 10, with different numerators. To compare unlike fraction, we have two methods. A. Comparison by converting into like fractions. B. Comparison by cross multiplication. A. Comparison by converting into like fractions. To compare unlike fractions with different numerators, first change the fractions into like fractions. Then compare the numerators. Example 1. Pallavi colored 9 by 10 of circle, while Reena colored 4 by 5 of a circle. Who colored more? Solution. Step 1. Find the LCM of 10 and 5. It is 10. Step 2. Change the fractions to equivalent fractions with the denominator 10. 4 by 5 is equal to 4 into 2 upon 5 into 2 is equal to 8 by 10. 9 into 1 upon 10 into 1 is equal to 9 by 10. Step 3. Compare the numerators. 9 is greater than 8. 9 by 10 is greater than 8 by 10. 9 by 10 is greater than 4 by 5. Answer. 9 by 10 is greater than 4 by 5. So, Pallavi colored more. I used the prime fraction method to find the LCM of the denominators 8 and 10. Example 2. Compare 5 by 8 and 7 by 10. Solution. The LCM of the denominators 8 and 10 is 40. 8, 10, 2, 4, 5, 2, 2, 5. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to 40. 5 by 8 is equal to 5 into 5 by 8 into 5 is equal to 25 by 40. 7 by 10 is equal to 7 into 4 upon 10 into 4 is equal to 28 upon 40. Since 25 is less than 28, so 5 upon 8 is less than 7 by 10. Answer. 5 by 8 is less than 7 by 10. B. Comparison by cross multiplication. To compare unlike fractions through cross multiplication, we cross multiply the two fractions. The fraction with a greater product is greater. Example 2. Compare 5 by 6 and 4 by 5. Solution. We cross multiply the two fractions. 5 by 6, 4 by 5. 5 into 5. is equal to 25. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Since 25 is greater than 24, 5 by 6 is greater than 4 by 5. Answer: 5 by 6 is greater than 4 by 5. Example 2. Arrange the fractions 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 7 by 9 and 13 by 15 in ascending order. Solution: the LCM of the denominators 3, 5, 9 and 15 is equal to 45. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 into 15 by 3 into 15 is equal to 30 by 45. 7 by 9 is equal to 7 into 5 by 9 into 5 is equal to 35 upon 45. 4 by 5 is equal to 4 into 9 upon 5 into 9 is equal to 36 by 45. 13 by 15 is equal to 13 into 3 by 15 into 3 is equal to 39 by 45. So, 30 is less than 35 is less than 36 is less than 39. So, 30 by 45 is less than 35 by 45 is less than 36 by 45 is less than 39 by 45. Answer: 2 by 3 is less than 7 by 9 is less than 4 by 5 is less than 13 by 15. Convert the fractions to like fractions. Addition of fractions. Adding like fractions. Example: Konika colored 4 by 10 of the boxes red and 5 by 10 of the boxes green. What is the fraction of the boxes colored? Solution: the fractions 4 by 10 and 5 by 10 are like fractions. To add like fractions, add the numerators and copy the denominator. 4 by 10 plus 5 by 10 is equal to 4 plus 5 by 10 is equal to 9 by 10. Answer: 9 by 10 of the boxes are colored. Adding unlike fractions. To add the unlike fractions, first we convert them into like fractions. Write the equivalent fractions for the given fractions by taking the LCM of the denominators of the given fractions as common denominator. Example: find the sum of 1 by 5 and 1 by 4. Solution: the fractions 1 by 5 and 1 by 4 are unlike fractions. Convert unlike fractions into like fractions and then add them. LCM of the denominators 5 and 4 is 20. Therefore, 1 into 4 by 5 into 4 is equal to 4 by 20. 1 into 5 by 4 into 5 is equal to 5 by 20. 4 by 20 plus 5 by 20 is equal to 4 plus 5 by 20 is equal to 9 by 20. Answer: 9 by 20. To convert into like fractions, take the LCM of the denominators 5 and 4. Adding mixed fractions. To add mixed fractions, convert them into improper fractions first and then add them. Example: Anoop mixed 3 whole 1 by 8 liter of green paint with 3 whole 5 by 16 liters of white paint. How much paint does he have now? Solution: Step 1. Change mixed numbers to improper fractions first. 3 whole 1 by 8 is equal to 25 by 8. 2 whole 5 by 16 is equal to 37 by 16. Both the fractions are unlike fractions. Step 2. Change unlike fractions to like fractions using the LCM of the denominators. 25 by 8 is equal to 25 into 2 upon 8 into 2 is equal to 50 by 16, 37 by 16. Step 3. Add the fractions and change to mixed number. 50 by 16 plus 37 by 16 is equal to 50 plus 37 by 16 is equal to 87 by 16 is equal to 5 whole 7 by 16. Answer. Anoop has 5 whole 7 by 16 liters of paint. Subtraction of fractions. Subtracting like fractions. Example. Subtract 1 by 4 from 3 by 4. Solution. The fractions 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 are like fractions. To subtract like fractions, subtract the smaller numerator from the bigger numerator and keep the denominator remains the same. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 3 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. 2 divided by 2 upon 4 divided by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Answer 1 by 2. Reduce 2 by 4 to its lowest terms. Subtracting unlike fractions. Example. Subtract 4 by 8 from 7 by 9. Solution. The fractions 4 by 8 and 7 by 9 are unlike fractions. Convert unlike fractions to like fractions and then subtract them. LCM of the denominators 8 and 9 is 72. 4 into 9 by 8 into 9 is equal to 36 by 72. 7 into 8 by 9 into 8 is equal to 56 by 72. 56 by 72 minus 36 by 72 is equal to 56 minus 36 upon 72 is equal to 20 by 72. Answer. 20 divided by 4 upon 72 divided by 4 is equal to 5 upon 18. Subtracting mixed fractions. Example. Kailash cut 5 whole 1/4 meters from 7 whole 2 by 5 meters long roll of rope. How much rope is left with him? Solution. Step 1. Convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. 5 whole 1 by 4 is equal to 21 by 4. 7 whole 2 by 5 is equal to 37 by 5. Step 2. Change unlike fractions to like fractions using the LCM of the denominators. 21 into 5 upon 4 into 5 is equal to 105 upon 20. 37 into 4 upon 5 into 4 is equal to 148 upon 20. Step 3. Subtract the fractions and change the difference to mixed number. 148 upon 20 minus 105 upon 20 is equal to 43 upon 20 is equal to 2 whole 3 upon 20. Answer. 2 whole 3 upon 20 meters of rope is left with Kailash. Multiplication of fractions. Multiplying fractions with whole numbers. Raja had 3 triangles. He painted half of each triangle. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Using repeated addition method. This can also be written as using repeated addition method. Total triangles painted is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. This can also be written as total triangles painted is equal to 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. To multiply a fraction by a whole number, we simply multiply the numerator of the fraction with the whole number and the denominator of the fraction become the denominator of the product. A fraction into a whole number is equal to numerator of the fraction into whole number upon denominator of the fraction. Multiplying a fraction by another fraction. Meenakshi made a chapati. She ate half of it. She gave the other half to 3 puppies. Each of them ate 1/3 of it. What fraction of the whole chapati did each puppy eat? Each puppy ate 1/3 of the chapati left, that is 1/3 of 1/2. To find 1/3 of 1/2, let us multiply 1/3 by 1/2. Meenakshi's share. Each puppy's share. Step 1. Multiply the numerators and denominators. 1/3 into 1/2 is equal to 1 into 1 upon 3 into 2 is equal to 1/6. Step 2. Reduce to the lowest terms if required. Answer. Each puppy ate 1/6 of the chapati. Product of two fractions is equal to product of their numerators upon product of their denominators. Example 1. Multiply 16 upon 21 and 10 upon 12. Solution. 16 upon 21 into 10 upon 12 is equal to 16 into 10 upon 21 into 12 is equal to 160 upon 252 is equal to 40 upon 63. Answer. 40 upon 63. Example 2. Multiply 6, 3 upon 20 and 2 upon 15. Solution. 6 into 3 upon 20 into 2 upon 15 is equal to 6 into 3 into 2 upon 1 into 20 into 15 is equal to 6 into 3 into 2 upon 20 into 15 is equal to 3 upon 25. Answer. 3 upon 25. Multiplication inverse of a fraction. Reciprocal. Two numbers are the multiplicative inverse of each other if their product is 1. The reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging the numerators and denominators of the fraction. For example, 4/5 into 5/4 is equal to 1. So, 5/4 is the multiplicative inverse of 4/5. Multiplicative inverse. We can also say that 4/5 is the multiplicative inverse of 5/4. Division of fraction. Let us learn to divide fractions. Dividing a whole number by a fraction. Example 1. Sujata has bought 4 kilograms of dry fruits. She wants to pack them in gift packs of 1/5 kilograms each. How many gift packs will she be able to make? Solution. We need to find out how many 1/5 are there in 4. We need to divide 4 by 1/5. Dividend 4 divided by 1/5 divisor is equal to what? Step 1. Write the whole number as a fraction. Write 4 as 4/1. Step 2. Write the multiplicative inverse mi of the divisor. Mi of 1/5 is 5/1. Step 3. Multiply the dividend and the mi of the divisor. 4/1 into 5/1 is equal to 20/1 is equal to 20. Answer. Sujata can make 20 gift packs. To divide a whole number by a fraction, we multiply the whole number by the multiplicative inverse of the fraction. Dividing a fraction by a whole number. Example 2. Rima had 4 whole 2 by 5 meters long ribbon. She cuts it into 10 pieces. What is the length of each piece of the ribbon? Solution. Length of the ribbon is equal to 4 whole 2 by 5 meters. Number of pieces cut is equal to 10. So, length of each piece is equal to 4 whole 2 by 5 meters divided by 10 is equal to 22 by 5 meters. Divided by 10 is equal to 22 by 5 into 1 by 10 meters is equal to 11 by 25 meters. Answer. The length of each piece of ribbon is 11 by 25 meters. Dividing a fraction by another fraction. Example 3. A fast-moving train is 10 by 11 kilometers far away from tunnel. If it covers 1 by 11 kilometers in each second, how many seconds will it take to enter the tunnel? Solution. We need to divide 10 by 11 by 1 by 11. Dividend 10. 10 by 11 divided by 1 by 11 is equal to what? 11 divisor. Step 1. Write the multiplicative inverse mi of the divisor. Mi of 1 by 11 is 11 by 1. Step 2. Multiply the dividend and the mi of the divisor. 10 by 11 into 11 by 1 is equal to 110 by 11 is equal to 10. Answer. The train will enter the tunnel in 10 seconds.